In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the sound library in CapCut. Let's get started. First, open CapCut and create a new project. Import the video clip you want to edit and add it to the track. Now, let's add some sound from the CapCut sound library. Start by clicking on the Audio tab at the top of the screen. In the Audio tab, you'll see several options: music, sound effects, and extracted audio. For now, let's focus on the sound section. Scroll through the available sounds that fit your video. Once you've found a sound you like, click on it to preview it. If it fits your video, click the plus sign to add it to your timeline. The sound will be added as a new audio layer beneath your video clip. You can drag the edges of the audio layer to adjust its duration or trim it to fit your video. To adjust the volume, fade in or fade out of the sound, click on the audio layer, then adjust the volume slider or the fade slider from the menu that appears. If you want to add sound effects instead, go back to the Audio tab and select the Effects section. Here you can browse through various sound effects, preview them, and add them to your timeline just like you did with the music. Once you're done customizing your music, play back your video to see how it sounds with the new audio. When you're happy with your audio, click the export button to save your edited video. And that's it! You've successfully used the sound library in CapCut to add and customize audio in your video. Thanks for watching and happy editing! If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my videos to other nerds like us. Thanks!